Why are you staring it right at me?
Because it's your idea to make the video.
Yeah, but we're... Okay.
Well, nobody knows what we're talking about.
Alright. Well, let's talk to the girls then.
Hi, girls.
Girls.
Hi, girls. Hi, me.
Where's the baby?
Asleep.
Night-night, Melanie.
Night-night. Alright, girls. So, this week, where are you guys going? You don't have to do
I know.
that.
Mimi's house. Mimi's house.
Yeah, and how long are you guys going to be there?
For a week.
So then... And today's Sunday, right?
Yes.
So then, when you guys get back to the house, do you know where Daddy's going to be?
Wait, at work?
Well, Daddy will be in school. School for what? Do you know?
Your driving thing?
Yeah. Do you know what I'm driving?
And we're gonna go in the pool. Yay!
Okay.
A truck.
Yep.
A really big one.
A really big truck. So, then after... That's creepy. So then after I'm done with truck school, so I'll be in truck school for 3 weeks.
Oh my goodness.
Why don't you ever say anything? That's weird.
Because I do not know what you want to be talking about. You're just randomly talking about
I'm just
the
randomly
truck
talking
thing.
about trucking. You don't make no sense.
I'm going to smack you in the face.
Are-
Smack him.
I can't. He's driving.
Kara, that you shouldn't condone violence.
Sorry.
Violence is bad, okay?
Sorry.
This is going to be a really long video.
Now I can cut it. Anyway, so after Daddy gets done with trucking school, right? I'll come back home for a couple of days. What?
I said after.
After. Then, do you know what's going to happen?
You're gonna drive a truck.
Yep. And do you know how long Daddy will be gone?
3 weeks. 2 to 3 weeks.
At least.
At least.
Okay, Vanna. Oh, anyway. Okay, so that means that you guys are going to be home alone with Mommy, right? And you guys are going to do, you guys have to start going to school
And cleaning.
and cleaning
No.
and listening to Mommy,
Okay.
right?
And Elise will read her book.
Yeah, at least we'll be reading her books. So, you guys need to help Mommy at every chance you get, because Daddy's not going to be there. I will not be there.
Okay.
Especially early in the morning.
Okay.
Mommy doesn't like it early in the morning.
Okay? So that means you guys need to get up. You're not even pointing at anything. Look at the... You were killing me.
What?
You're just kind of floating the camera. You don't even point at anything. Because you're too busy trying to worry about your own phone.
Your mom is talking to me.
She don't need to talk to us right now. She knows we're on the way. Anyway.
When does he leave? Your laugh is so cute. Did we pass the truck graveyard yet? I was
Yeah.
going to film that. Oh, man. I missed
Oh,
it.
man. Anyway. So, girls. While Daddy's away, you guys need to get up in the morning. That means you need to set your alarm.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Kara.
And you have to get up when it goes off, right?
Okay. Okay.
And then you have to go in and get Mommy up, because you know she won't be up yet.
That's not true.
Okay.
That's 100% true.
That's not true.
Yes, it is. Yes, it
Right?
is.
And then, more than likely, you guys will get ready before she will, right?
Yeah.
And then, Elise, you will help make everybody's breakfast, like you always do. Right? Why'd you say it like that? That's rude.
Okay.
Because she's
Okay.
making faces in the camera.
Alright. You guys are killing me. Listen. So while I'm out,
Dad's being serious.
you irritate me.
That's video now for prosperity.
You really irritate me sometimes.
Melanie is really excited about this conversation.
Anyway, girls. Girls.
Girls.
Listen.
Girls.
Okay.
Goyles.
Yes.
Listen. Listen. Linda, listen. Okay, so listen. While Daddy's gone, he's going to be driving all over the country.
All over.
Right?
Uh-huh.
So what are some things that you want me to do that will help you guys? That you
Take
want
pretty
to see?
pictures.
I will take pretty pictures. What about you, Kara? What do you want to know?
She's they're putting their feet in front of the camera.
You want me to know where your feet are?
Tell us where you are.
Yeah? You
Yeah.
guys want to follow me around the country?
Ooh.
You want me to call you?
And guess where my foot is.
You want me to guess where your foot is?
Yes.
This video is gonna be great.
It's going to be amazing.
It's gonna be great for my foot.
You're right. You're going to have some of the most famous feet in the world, Kara.
Okay.
You don't have to yell.
Okay. I like my feet.
Kara. Anyway, listen. Do you... You were killing me.
If they don't see it, they won't be goofing around as much.
Okay. Listen, what else would you guys like? So you want me to show you guys where I am so you can track it?
Call us.
You want me to call you?
Take pictures.
Take lots of pictures
And know where my foot is.
and know where your foot is. You guys want to see video of me driving?
Yeah!
Okay.
Put her foot up.
If you see, never mind.
What? If I see what?
Cool
Oh man.
So I can napkin?
No, don't put that back. I like him there. There's a reason. Hold this.
Holding this. Anyway, girls, would you like you want to see video of me driving?
Ooh.
Right?
Yeah.
And then I'll show you where I sleep and everything,
Cool, yeah.
right? Because you guys know that I'll be sleeping inside the truck.
Like take pictures of inside the truck.
Yep. I can take video inside the truck. That way you guys can see everything. Maybe we can even do face calls, right? So we can talk to each other like this. Yeah?
Yeah.
So I was also thinking that maybe me and Mommy can find some books that you guys have, and then I can have a copy of, and then I can read before you guys go to bed.
Cool.
Right? I'll record some of it and then send it to you guys.
Okay.
Does that sound good?
Yeah.
What about you, Kara? Do you think that's a good idea?
What's your favorite book, Kara?
What's your favorite book?
I still have to think about that.
Okay.
What about you, Elise?
I like.
What kind of book would you like me to read?
A book about animals.
Okay. What about you, Kara? What kind of book would you like me to read?
I like animal books.
Yeah.
But I don't know which animal book I should read. I'm still thinking about it.
You're still thinking about it? Do you guys want me to send you postcards?
Yeah.
Yeah? If I stop somewhere and grab a postcard and then mail it out to you?
How do you mail stuff in a truck?
Well, whenever I stop, right? Go in and take a shower and do all of that, I can go in and send them out to you.
Oh.
know at first what I'm going to be doing. So I'll either be by myself or with another person. If I'm by myself, I only drive for up to 11 hours a day, and then I have to stop and then sleep, right? If I'm with somebody else, then I'll be driving while they sleep, and then when they wake up, they'll be driving and I will sleep.
Oh.
And we do that for a whole week.
Oh, wow.
Mm-hmm.
Or 2. Or 3.
Well, we do it for a whole week, and then we both have to stop for at least one day. So how does that sound?
Cool.
Yeah.
Exhausting.
Would you like to say anything?
Is there anything you would like me to do, Mommy?
Say something.
I guess not.
No? Is there anything that you can think of that would help us stay closer as a family?
To help us love each other.
To help us love each other more?
Don't get in a car accident.
I will not get into a car accident.
Okay. Don't hurt yourself.
Don't overexert yourself and do something stupid.
You've got a lot of don'ts. I'm asking for do's. Is there anything you do want me to do?
Do rest when you're supposed to. Do make smart decisions. Do drive safely.
To death do us part.
Death.
You didn't realize in sickness and in health, the health part would be the harder part.
That is not true. You love me.
What are you doing? You are so weird.
She wants a kiss from you.
All right, girls.
Daddy,
Do keep your beard trimmed.
Daddy,
I will
don't
try my...
don't get sick.
Do take a shower.
Of course I'll take a shower.
Do some sit-ups.
Okay, Pot.
Don't get sick.
Don't get sick.
Don't hurt yourself.
Don't hurt myself. I will do my best on both of those.
Okay.
Is there anything
Don't
else?
get the hiccups.
Don't get the hiccups.
Try not to.
I will try not to. Maybe the hiccups will keep me awake while I'm driving.
We're gonna show Daddy's face in the video.
Daddy's face has been in this video.
Oh, okay.
And the beard.
Do enjoy these dance moves.
That looks more like a controlled seizure. What are you doing?
That's
Nobody wants to see that. What are you doing?
You will treasure it forever. Don't lie to yourself.
Forever. Cannot wait to go back and look at this video. Anyway, girls, is there anything else that you would like Daddy to do while I'm out driving?
Drive.
Drive. I will drive my butt off.
Sit when you're driving.
Of course. How else are you going to drive?
Stand.
That'd be weird. Trying to stand and drive, that'd be weird.
Yeah, that would be.
That'd be something else.
Grow a long beard.
See, they like the beard.
No.
I love the beard.
They love the beard.
Yeah, a beard. So that.
No.
Yeah, like that.
Like that.
And he can make it super poofy like Uncle Nick's.
Ew. No.
You don't want it to be super poofy?
Yeah, it can get super. Yeah, so it'll be like Santa Claus.
Like Santa Claus.
Nice and poofy like Uncle Nick.
Nice and poofy.
Like Uncle Nick's.
No.
And like Santa Claus. Yeah.
Alright.
Super poofy.
Anyway,
Yeah.
so to recap, I am going.
Breed cap.
So to recap, you can still point it at them. I don't have to be in here all the time.
Yes. It's his
So to recap, what am I gonna do? Send you guys locations of where I am.
Mhm.
take video,
Mhm.
take lots of pictures,
Mhm.
call
Mhm.
every day. Right? What else?
Every day.
Every day.
But not early in the morning because I'm too tired to
It
deal
might
with
be
that.
early in the morning.
Well, then call again at night because I'm going to be
Well,
snippy
I
in the
might be
morning.
driving. If I'm driving, I'm not supposed to call. I will call when I'm off.
Do not be surprised when I'm snippy in the morning.
Well, I can call while you guys are driving into school. And it would make your school day that much brighter.
Well, how come I can talk on the phone when I'm driving, but you can't talk on the phone?
Because you have
when you're
Bluetooth.
driving?
I won't have Bluetooth.
I hate that thing.
I hate that thing.
Can the video be over then?
Well, hold on. We're not done recapping.
Yeah.
What else am I supposed to be doing?
Pictures, videos,
Pictures, videos,
locations,
locations,
Read us books at night.
call.
Read us
Oh,
books.
read your books.
call, video call,
Yeah, video calls. And send postcards.
send postcards.
And guess where my phone is?
And guess where Kara's foot
Guess
is?
where Kara's foot is. Let me see your foot, Kara. There's the foot.
Grow a big beard.
No.
They want me to grow a big beard.
No.
Yes.
No.
Grow a big beard.
No.
Maybe I'll grow a Voldemort beard. I mean, what's that guy's name from?
Gandalf?
Gandalf beard, yeah. All right, girls.
Ooh. Find some cactus jelly. Like they had in Korea. That stuff was so good. Maybe if you end up in like Texas or Arizona,
Yeah,
you can get
cactus
some
fruit jelly.
cactus fruit jelly.
It's
I will see
delicious.
if I can find it. All right.
It tastes good.
Thanks
with
for the video.
But it tastes
You're
good with
welcome.
oyster crackers.
Bye, girls.
Bye.
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 Melanie, say bye. Good job.
Melanie loves this video.